Thank you for joining us on today's video, and you're going to see some really rough looking nails. These are probably the longest ones I've seen in a long time. And this was a patient that I saw this past week at a homeless shelter where I do work once a month just doing foot care, nails and calluses and things. One of the questions that I get asked a lot on videos like this is how could they let their feet get that way? And the answer is it's got lots of different parts to it, but you have to remember that these are homeless people and hygiene is not necessarily the highest on their priority list. They're interested in survival right now. They're in survival mode and they're trying to find a place to sleep and something to put in their bellies. And so taking care of their toenails isn't their highest priority. So I was really happy that this gentleman came in because we were able to make him feel and look so much better by the end of the appointment. And it's going to make his life just incrementally a little bit better. So I hope that explains it, and I hope that you enjoy today's video.
All right, which one?
Here.
So I should go in a little closer. Oh, yes. Okay, good.
All right. So how long do you think it's been since these have been trimmed?
A year.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
So I'm thinking you probably had to buy your shoes a size or a size and a half bigger, huh?
Yeah.
Well, now you can go back and get some shoes that fit better.
They was originally 12.
Okay.
What size are these now?
12.
Oh, and what size your original size?
12.
Oh, so you've been lucky to fit into those.
Right.
Oh, I'm so glad that you came down tonight,
Thanks.
because you're going to feel like a new man when we're done. I'm going to come back over
Okay.
here. So that's all skin. Go up under the nail.
So that just recedes after a while, Judy?
Yeah, when the nail that sits over the top of it is not there anymore, this will just kind of recede back.
Oh, good. That's
All right,
good to know. I didn't
let's
know
get
that.
this really big one here.
Okay.
And do you want to keep it and make a trophy out of it? or-
Yeah.
You want to keep it? Okay.
Yeah.
It's petrified. It could be a deadly weapon.
Trying to get it all in one piece here.
Y'all don't open on Sundays, Saturdays and stuff like that?
Nope.
No, okay.
All right, did you want this?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
All right.
I can give you a baggie. I have a baggie in my bag.
Okay.
Quite a prize.
I don't think that many people can grow a nail that long. But I know it's not a Guinness World Book of Record, or a world record,
Yeah,
because
Guinness.
we actually had a guy in here that had longer than that, if you can believe it.
Oh, wow.
But his didn't curve over, it went straight out.
Yeah.
So he couldn't even put shoes on. He had to wear those slides where
Yeah.
he never had a pair of shoes for a couple of years because the nail went literally straight out.
Right, so I think I will sand this side and then we can move to the other side.
Okay.
These don't feel like they're sharp. Get a different one.
There you go.
There we go. Okay, relax your foot.
Okay.
There you go. This is just all dead skin here.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna sand those down a little bit, and then
Okay.
we'll switch over to the other foot, okay?
Okay.
And then, as you're moving over to the other side, I'm just gonna get a photo.
Okay.
Got the right foot. Very much appreciate your patience.
Worst part is I can fall asleep.
Well, go ahead, we'll wake you up.
Yeah.
Did Did you want to keep this one too?
Yes, ma'am.
There you go.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
How you doing?
Good.
You feeling okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Anything I'm doing hurting?
No,
Okay.
Would you like to lay down or you want to watch this?
I don't want to watch.
This is
Last time you
major
seen me,
surgery.
Yeah.
Did you want this one too?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You gonna make a memory book?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
So keep it. Okay, we're just gonna wash everything up now, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna have nice feet.
Thank you.
You're gonna feel so good when you get into bed tonight. You're gonna be like, whoa, nice feet.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
You like them?
Yes, ma'am.
There's no going back.
Okay. You're right.
These look like someone else's feet.
Yes, I do.
You'll have to learn to walk again.
Yeah, you're right.
There's lots of skin coming off.
Okay.
Now your feet can breathe.
Yeah. Thank you.
Look how nice they look. Wow.
Yeah.
She did a good job.
Thank you.
She knows what she's doing. She went to school a long time to be able to do this.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, thank you for letting us do the video.
And thanks
Okay.
for coming down. It was kind of scary. It's always kind of scary when you have to see somebody that you don't know do this.
You're right.
Yeah, for the first time. All right.
All right.